everybody, welcome to another edition of Model Car Memories. I'm doing something different where I'm taping for YouTube, but I'm live on Instagram right now. So this one should be a real short one. That's why I'm going to go live with it. Found this model the other day. It appears to be a Ford Falcon Ranchero, but it's a customizing kit because there's a lot of custom features on it. It's got quad headlights, which I don't believe, what I've seen online, I haven't found one that has one yet. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning this up here. Start with brushing the dirt off. A lot of it's coming off real easy. Here, there's no side view mirrors on it, so don't have to watch out for that. Definitely a lot of dust in the bed of it there. Get all that out. I said these models have just been sitting around for a good 30-40 years, and then they were built in the 60s. So all right, and then this one, there's places for screw holes in here, but they're not in there, so should be taking it apart should be easy. I've got tons of extra screws. So there's the chassis. It looks in good shape. None of the wheels are warped. If you noticed on a lot of the other videos, some of the models, the wheels are warped around, but these aren't. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Some pins sticking through here. Let's see if this is, it's got a little plastic holding in place. I think the pins they're holding in the piece of leather for the seat here. But show you here some of the detail, the interior here. So you got a tack in there. Looks like you painted some little gauge cluster down at the bottom in there. So all right, let's get the cotton swab here, see if we can clean this up a little bit. I'll try to be as gentle as I can with it. Don't want to tear anything up. Oh, I didn't notice this. I also put a little piece of the leather on the dash as well. So padded dash. Gotta watch out. That gear shift looks homemade. Looks like a straight pin, like you would use. It's all molded together. You just took a straight pin, bent it, and then stuck a hole in there and bent it again. So we've got 5 pins on the seat, 2 on the back. So you got your upholstery buttons there. So, and I haven't seen the manufacturer of this yet, so I do not know who made this model kit. So let's get to cleaning the top here. Got some dirt coming through. Of course, most of these kits are pretty easy to clean because you don't have there's not an engine inside them. It's just simple little kits. I don't want to get too aggressive with cleaning it because I don't want to take the paint off of it. And one thing I've noticed is the way the tail lights here. It's got this fancy little spot here. I need to take this kit to the neighbor who has a couple of Ford Falcon wagons, and see if he can sort out some of the oddities with this kit here. Let's see if my gonna wipe some of this down here, get some of the dirt off of it. So if you're watching this on Instagram, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, Model Car Memories. And if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you check out the Instagram channel. Alright, see if I can get here in the bed of the truck. Now I think there's one other pickup truck. There's a Chevrolet Apache pickup truck that we have. I got back there, the wheels on it really need a lot of work to it, so I might have to dig into the spare parts bin on that when I get ready to fix that one up. It's also got a car hauler trailer that goes along with it, so that was a separate kit, which I actually have another one of those kits that hasn't been built of the car hauler, and you can do it with a single axle or a dual axle on it. There's a couple different ways. It gives you the option to complete the kit. Okay, like I said, this one seems to be cleaning up pretty nice. So this is the dirt in the bed of this thing's. Okay, get a clean cotton swab here. Okay, and you can kind of tell if you look really close. You can tell that this was brushed on paint. This wasn't a spray paint job. Okay, it's pretty clean. Let's see if I can get to work on the windshield now. Like I said, I don't want to scratch anything. It's got a little defect there in the middle of it here. Can't seem to get out. Okay, it's got a bad place on the back of the windshield here, the back glass. That looks like it was a bubble inside the plastic there. That's what it looks like. Then on the front, can't tell what that is. It's a bigger discoloration. It's not wanting to come clean with the mild detergent solution here. So I'm not sure what that is. It's just something that's in there. Alright. Like with most of these, the bottom part, the chassis part's always been fairly clean. It's not, hasn't been real dirty on all these. Just kind of hit some of the corners here, get some of the thing up. I can tell these were, he did white walls in on these. You got the wire wheels here. So it must have been from a 3-in-1 kit, or maybe you did some kit bashing. I've not found a box for this one, so this box doesn't exist. Okay, got that. So this one was fairly easy. There wasn't anything in it that needed repair of any type. So this is just a basic clean. Let's see, I think I can get that interior just a little cleaner than what it is. Yeah, still some dirt up underneath the dash here. These seats just a little cleaner. Some of this on the side looks like a little bit of paint or a little bit of glue that was over on it here. No, there's lots of dirt there. Okay, I wonder if we got, because it looks like there's a turn signal indicator there on it, so I wonder if he took the steering column and turned it around for the gear shift. Like I said, I'll have to look at my neighbor's Falcons to see how they're done. So don't know when they switched over from the push button in the floor to the on the column turn signal on the Ford Falcons. If you know, just put it in the comments. So, all right, got that in place. Put this back in. Had this little circle that kind of kept it in place. Like I said, this wasn't glued in. Put the bottom in place. Like I said, this was missing the 4 screws here, so got my Isodets container. Let's see if we can find 4. Looks like they take kind of a small screw here, so if we can find them. Okay, let's see if these will work here. Screwdriver. Yep. Oh. And these are a really coarse thread, so only takes a couple turns and they're in, so you don't want to over tighten them. Okay, those went in fairly well. So yeah, got to get popped in there good. See, it's got custom bumpers there, or little knobs for a bumper. Don't really see them on custom hot rods too much these days. Oop. Just want to slip out. I'm not going to tighten it anymore. One more. Okay. There we go. Like I said, I don't even know what year this is. I didn't see any markings on the inside as to who the manufacturer was on it. So there you have it. Custom Ranchero from the 60s. Just a simple clean on that. So, but thank you for watching, and like I said, if you're watching on YouTube, check out the Instagram channel. If you're watching on Instagram, check out the YouTube channel. Thanks.